Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. I'm going to do another half up style today, but this time we're going to do a 4-strand infinity. It's not that hard, I promise you. Let me show you. So you're going to start off by taking a section from the crown and breaking it into 4. So I like to sort of break it into 2, and then I break that one into 2, and then I break this one into 2. So you've got your 4 strands of hair. And these are going to stay the same all the way through. These don't move at all. You're going to take a small section of hair from the left and you're going to take it under, over, under, over. So, under, over, under, over, like so. Now you're going to add into this one. So same section is going to go under, over, under, and over. And now you're going to add again. So this section stays the same. This is the one that does all the work, over, under, under, over. And the 4 sections stay as they are. So I've got this section, it's going to go under, over, under, and over. We're going to add again. So I want this braid to sit nice and tight, so I'm going to keep these sections quite wide. So the outside sections, if you widen them, then it keeps the braid nice and tight. Look, by widening that like that. So I'm only adding in a little bit on the sides each time, and I'm just creating figures of 8 with the same strand. Pushing up where you can. This braid also looks really, really cute as a full braid, not a half up. But today we're just going to go for this half up look. And you could do some curls with this. It's one of those styles that looks really impressive, but actually it's quite easy to achieve. So I'm going to take my half up just past the ear today, but you can kind of decide where you want it to sit. So if I show you again, it's being added into that section. This section's going underneath this one. Then it's going to go over the top of that one. And it's going to come underneath this one. And then over the top of the last one. And then push up. I'm going to do one more section. So I'm going to just finish that there. So you could just do a little elastic underneath, but I'm just going to pin that section into place. So you can just kind of soften these edges a little bit if you want to. And then I like to also just go back up to the top and just gently lift up this bit. So you can decide if you want anything left at the front. You've got that really nice little side sweep coming up here. All that lovely detail at the back. So let me know in the comments what you guys think.